Okay, now I clap. Okay, is it definitely recording on that? I'll do another one just because I like doing it.
How many Comic-Cons have you attended now?
I have attended 3 Comic-Cons now, and I only know that because I can remember my outfits, and if not, they all sort of blur together.
What's your strangest encounter with a fan at Comic-Con?
Just when people like cry in front of you. When like a friend cries, it's like difficult to sort of console them, but like when it's a complete stranger, that's like a little bit overwhelming. I mean, they're overwhelmed, and then you in turn end up being a little overwhelmed, and then you're both just looking at each other like.
Your most memorable moment at Comic-Con?
Fuck, I'm going to get the actor's name. What's the guy who plays Thor? Either Liam or Chris Hemsworth. I don't know which one it was. Just doing a shot backstage before their panel. That was quite memorable.
Beyonce has Beehive. Benedict Cumberbatch has Cumberbitches. If you could name your fan group, what would it be?
I would name my fan group the Maisie Willy fam, because it sounds a little bit like Maisie Williams. And also you see Willy in the middle, and that's funny, isn't it?
What's the weirdest thing a fan has sent you?
This wooden box that was nailed shut, and then when we like finally prized it open, it had this A4 piece of paper with all of these words written on. It was like a chant or something like that, like a spiritual thing. Then it had this like stone ornament inside with all this straw. We're talking a box like this size. It was really terrifying, and then now I keep it outside my house. I think it warns away bad spirits, or maybe it's letting them all in, I don't know.
So what's the strangest location you've been recognised?
Is this the one where I was going to tell that story? So, this one time I needed to go to the doctor and get some medicine because I couldn't go to the toilet. And I got to the counter and I was like, I don't know if you can get me anything to help with my digestive system. And she's like asking me all of the details, you know, so you're like talking about it very openly, trusting this person. And then she goes, sorry, are you the girl from Game of Thrones? And I was like, not really the best time to bring it up. And she was like, oh no, it's fine. And then she got me my medicine, and I did end up going to the bathroom, so it was good.
What's the strangest request you've ever received?
The strangest request I've ever received doesn't sound that strange, but for me in my life it is quite strange, because I've been asked to many people's proms, which is really exciting and lovely. But when I was going to prom, I asked 2 different boys if they'd go to prom with me, and both of them said no. So,
who leaves you starstruck, and have you ever met them?
I met Jessica Chastain recently, and I was pretty starstruck because I love her. And so seeing her in the flesh was like quite overwhelming. She was really lovely and really nice. Like, that also made me feel quite overwhelmed because like she's so lovely as well as being so talented. I did really embarrass myself, but I don't care.
That is it.
That's it. That's a wrap on me doing a Farfetch interview. Thanks. Welcome to IGTV. I'm Maisie Williams, and this has been my interview.